When it comes to trading Solana meme coins, a website that comes to mind is probably Pump.Fun. Because on Pump.Fun is where dreams come true. This is the place where you can turn $50 into millions of dollars if you buy the right token. It's literally the American dream of Solana meme coins. Now it is also the place where you can gamble away all your money and lose your funds like that in an instant. And by simply visiting their website, you are at risk of getting an epilepsy episode. Now make no mistake, on Pump.Fun is where most of the trading happens these days. So how can you become profitable while trading Solana meme coins and not fall for a rug pull like this? Now here is a crazy statistic about Pump.Fun. Because in the last 24 hours, 16,357 tokens were launched. Only 175 of them made it to Radium, and 19 remained above $69,000 in market cap. So from launch to a profitable graduation, that is 0.12%. So the chance of you turning that $50 into millions of dollars is basically zero. But there are some tricks that we can use in order to become profitable. And in this video, I'm going to explore 2 ways on how to trade these meme coins profitably. So make sure to watch it all the way till the end. Now, obviously, I have to back up my claims by data. I'm not going to blindly believe this, but we can verify it that it is true over here. And that is that in the last 24 hours, 11,796 tokens launched and only 157 graduated. So it's completely true. The chance of a token to fulfill the Pump.Fun bonding curve is basically zero. We can also see that Pump.Fun is extremely profitable. $700,000 in a day. And sometimes here even $1 million in a day, and in the peak they made $2.4 million in a day. So there are 2 ways you can look at this data. The first way you can look at this data is like, damn, Pump.Fun tokens are not profitable. We should not trade tokens on Pump.Fun. Rather, we should wait a bit and see which one is a winner and then get in that at a later date. And the second way you can view this data is like, instead of me trading meme coins on Radium, I might have to trade meme coins on Pump.Fun, buy it early and sell it way before it is supposed to graduate and move to Radium. So those are the 2 ways you can look at this data. Now let's look at this from the point of view of Pump.Fun. Because Pump.Fun, they make their money by people trading on their platform. There are trading fees involved over here. They do not make their money from people filling up this bonding curve and moving it over to Radium, because when it moves over to Radium, they no longer receive these precious trading fees. Because right now, I believe Pump.Fun, they take 1% of the trading fees. So in reality, from a pure revenue business standpoint, they do not want tokens to succeed. Now, the first way to trade Pump.Fun meme coins profitably is to not trade them on Pump.Fun. So in order for that, you can come on Pump Vision on Bullx. Bullx is my favorite trading bot. Pump Vision is amazing. The link to this bot will be in the description. But what you can do is you can come in here, you can go to filter, and you can say, I only want to trade meme coins that are above $100,000 in market cap. And this is going to limit your selection already, because these are tokens that have left Pump.Fun. They graduated successfully. They are now available on the free market on Radium, where everyone can buy and sell. And in here you have like completely different selection, because these coins, they have left Pump.Fun and they did not tank to zero immediately after they left Pump.Fun. So there is a lot more fun to be had over here. I'm going to give an example. Hazel. This is where it left Pump.Fun, goes to Radium, it has the nice retrace, and it stayed above 100k market cap for a long time. And then it had this pump up, and then you can say, around 200k market cap, looks to be a good meme. Let me get into it, and then to the peak, that is a nice 12x to be had. So this is a way to trade these meme coins profitably, just by avoiding Pump.Fun. Now, I have already made multiple videos about this, about how I trade these meme coins profitably. that have left Pump.Fun successfully and that are a good meme, and there is a lot of talk about it on Twitter and all that. I have made tons of videos about that on what I specifically look for in a meme coin in order to find a successful one like this. Now there's a second way to make money while trading Pump.Fun tokens, and that is by trading it on Pump.Fun itself. Now this, I would say, is extremely difficult to do because you can just see how many tokens keep coming out. You cannot just come in here and gamble on it, right? Because if you throw money in all of it, the chance that it moves to Radium and is successful is literally 0.12%. It's basically zero, right? But what you can do instead is that you can find the wallets that are profitable, because there are people who are experts in this. There are people who trade these meme coins successfully, or they operate on some form of insider knowledge. They might be affiliated with a group who launch tokens successfully and push them till close to graduation, or push them till they become king of the hill and then start selling. So if you find those wallets and you can copy those wallets, you would be profitable every single day. Now, how do you find those wallets? How is it possible to do these things? Now, again, I am going to use on-chain data for this, and I'm just going to open one. Let's just say this one. And I'm just going to go into trades because this token is on Pump.Fun. That means these people are trading on Pump.Fun. They might be using Bullx bot, but that's okay. We are going to open this in SolScan. And then we go into DeFi activities, and then we are going to look at these trades. So we can see this is a fresh wallet who bought these tokens and then started selling. And then now he bought new tokens. But what we want to look at is we are going to open this one up, and then we have something interesting here. This is the Pump.Fun fee account. So like I said in the beginning of this video, Pump.Fun earns money by your trading fees. They make money by people trading on their platform. So what I am actually going to do is I'm going to copy this fee address, and I am going to use on-chain data to check who pay a lot of fees. Let's just say in the last let's just do 5 days. Then we are going to run this. And what this is going to do is we are going to see who paid the most fees to Pump.Fun. Because you have to imagine, like, if they pay a lot of fees to Pump.Fun, they must be profitable. Because if they are not profitable and they keep paying all these fees to Pump.Fun, eventually their account goes to zero, and then it will be unsustainable. They will be unable to continue doing that. So now in here, I can see all the wallets who paid money to this Pump.Fun fee account. You can see how many transactions they have done in the last 5 days and how many total fees they have spent on Pump.Fun. Now, if you want to gain access to this dashboard, this is only available inside of the Investors Boardroom. The link to that will be in the description. And what we see here, this first one, this must be some kind of automatic bot, because he did 25,000 transactions in the last 5 days and paid a gazillion in fees, which is crazy. This is probably one of those bots that buy every single token as soon as it comes out, and then they dump it if it doesn't move, or if it goes up, they sell it for profit. But let's have a look into this wallet. So this wallet holds 6.7 SOL and owns 500 tokens that are only worth $1. Last trades 4 hours ago. So it stopped trading. But yeah, like I said, this is one of those bots. It buys it, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So what this type of bot does, it throws 1 Solana in every single coin that comes out, and then it will immediately dump it afterwards in order to take money from the devs or from the developers. Because if the developers or the team want their token to be successful, they have to own a certain amount of their supply. They need to pump the token up. This bot is trying to front run that and just dump on them. This is not a good wallet to track. A lot of these on the first page are probably going to be bots. But here it might start to get interesting because this person did 300 trades. which is already a lot better than what we saw before. And we are going to open that in SolScan, and we can see, wow, this wallet has a balance of 650 Sol. So this one potentially is profitable. Let's go into DeFi activity and let's quickly see what is going on. Wow, it throws 12 Sol into a meme coin and then sells it for a little bit of profit. So again, I do believe this is some type of bot. I do not believe that this is human activity. So we are going to keep looking. Let's take a look at this one, because this one only did 59 transactions. And this time I am going to use one of our own tools that was created by the Investors Boardroom and that is only available to members of the Investors Boardroom. So I'm going to analyze this wallet over here to check if this one is profitable. And here we have this wallet open. We can see the total profit is 195 Sol. It lost capital to rugs, only 6 Sol, which is not bad in comparison. Unsold loss. And then it says the total average ROI. It says it's unprofitable, but I do not believe that this is always correct, because if a wallet starts with 1 Sol and it turns it into 10 Sol and then it makes some unprofitable trades and it end up with 7 Sol in total, it might show that it is unprofitable, because over time this wallet is just playing with more money or something like that. You have to really dive into the wallet itself, and then we can see that this wallet is indeed not profitable, because on the trading days it goes from the bottom right. It's no trade, unprofitable, no trade, unprofitable, unprofitable, no trade, no trade, no trade, no trade, no trade, unprofitable. So I would totally avoid this wallet. And then in here we can see all the transactions that this wallet has been doing, which is here buy, sell, buy, sell. So unprofitable. And here we are looking at another wallet, and at first glance it looks to be profitable. The total profit is 857 Sol. And then the average ROI is 10%. So if it's above 0, it is profitable. The win rate is 63%, which is amazing. And when we go to the trading days, you can just see, okay, today was unprofitable, but yesterday profitable, 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 unprofitable, profitable, unprofitable, and so forth. And then we can see how much Sol this wallet has been making. This is a wallet that I would probably try to copy trade to see if it is profitable. We can also see that the average time between buy and sell is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So this is also a really good statistic to have. And why is it so important? Because you do not want to copy trade someone who just buys and sells instantly, who just snipes, because if he snipes and he sells 10 seconds later, that means you would pump up the price for him and he would immediately dump on you. Something like this is way better. And this stuff right here, it is going to take some time. It is going to take effort to find a really good wallet like this who trades Pump.Fun tokens profitably. But if you find a wallet like that, I highly recommend you to try to copy trade that wallet. And if you have found a profitable wallet like this on the side here, you can start to copy trade this wallet. Now in this wallet, I do not have any Solana in it. This is just for demonstration purposes, because I do not want to give away my personal Solana wallet here on YouTube. But you can come into this bot, which is called the Trojan bot. The link to this bot will also be in the description. And what you can do down here is you can go into copy trade, and then you can add a new wallet. I'm going to put the target wallet, put it in here, and I am going to give it a tag. I'm going to name it Pump.Fun 001. So I know that this is from Pump.Fun and this is the first wallet. It's just a tag that I give it. And then I am going to put a buy percentage. What does this mean? The buy percentage is if it's at 100%, then you will copy this wallet 100%. Now, we have seen from the statistics that this wallet, he puts on average 5 Solana in every trade. If you do not want to do that, you can just, for example, say 1 Sol. Then you will copy this wallet with 1 Solana, right? Every time he buys with 5 Sol, you will immediately copy him with 1 Sol. then you need to turn on copy sells. So you will also sell when he sells. So if he sells for profit, and then you just copy him and you will also sell for profit. Then the buy gas and sell gas, I like to keep it at these settings. These seem to work fine for now. Slippage, let's do 20% because we are talking about Pump.Fun right here, and Pump.Fun is very volatile and I do not want my transactions to fail. And then all we have to do is just click on add, and now this wallet is successfully added to be copy traded by us. Now every time this wallet makes a trade, we will automatically copy trade this wallet. Now if you need a more detailed and more quality course than what I'm doing here on YouTube, all that stuff is also inside of the Investors Boardroom, where we go into more detail on how all of this stuff works, where we teach you how to find profitable wallets, how to trade meme coins profitably, and also more advanced copy trading strategies. And by the way, if you want to learn how to trade meme coins after they have moved away from Pump.Fun onto Radium, I have already made a video over here on how I am able to find successful meme coins early. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.